Hey there, welcome to your favorite channel. Every waking day sees us gaining ground with diverse ways to make money online. And if you're still hooked up on not making money or not having a job, you must be doing something wrong. We are looking at a whole different fascinating way to earn money online, and that's by 3D printing. Before we begin, I do have some good news for you. As you know, we are a people-oriented community and we do our best to bring our loving viewers the best opportunities there are. We also provide periodic rewards for an excellent job done. On this occasion, 10 super lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win this month's $1,000 cash prize. Each super fan of this channel that gets chosen will get $100 each from us in cash prizes and PayPal money. It is our dynamic way of giving back to the community and a thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So how do you get in for the competition? There are 3 easy steps you can take to be part of it. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button below. And finally, the most crucial step is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video. And I want you to comment down below the number while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every month via our community posts. That makes sense, right? Don't hesitate to be a part of this golden opportunity. Now let's get into the video. You know we are all about bringing you the best legit ways to earn money and without much stress. We rate 3D printing quite highly among all the options available so far among other types of printing. Pay close attention to everything so you can learn how this can work out for you. A few decades ago, no one would have heard anything about 3D printing, but social media does us one better with the development of video streaming platforms like TikTok and YouTube, to say the least. 3D printing has found these mediums suitable for its proliferation. Millions of people are constantly creating content about it and earning thousands of dollars per month for their valuable content. We also have others who sell houses printed out in 3D, and people are actually living in them. This shows how big the scope can get for 3D printing, and it seems like the whole world is sleeping on it. 3D printing can generate a lot of money for you if you know what you are doing. One of the ways which you can earn from 3D printing is by selling your designs. Like regular printing, a bit of technical work must go into creating a design that would be attractive enough to actually sell. Making a meaningful design and putting it on the market for sale. You can sell it online or offline. Selling online is easier though. Mind you, this is a working formula, but you should not approach it as a get-rich-quick scheme. One of the websites we can recommend is My Mini Factory. Visit the homepage and register an account with them. You will find thousands of 3D printing designs on the platform, and you can join as a 3D designer on the website and begin to earn your own keep from the designs you create. You will create a store and join the market, upload your design, and wait for others. You can pretend to be looking for what to buy on the platform and just type in the name of an object in the search box. You could be able to see several similar object designs created by other people. Opening a store comes at a cost though. It costs about $24.99 to open a store on My Mini Factory website, and they guarantee that you will earn close to 90% on your sales. The website is a beacon on its own as you do not have to do any real marketing of your own. Millions of people visit the site every day looking for one product or the other, thus generating organic traffic and sales troop in. It is not the only website that offers this service though. Kindly make use of your search engine to discover more exciting website options made just for you. Secondly, you can sell your 3D printing products on, Etsy. It's a pretty large marketplace, maybe not like Amazon, but it has its own form of organic traffic that can buy your 3D printing designs at the right price. You will send several other 3D designers like you making money on the platform from their sales. List your products and sell to the free traffic that you get. You can opt to maintain your own customer base or traffic and sell whatever you want, but we think it's a bit better to use the free traffic on these kinds of platforms. You can get more than 10,000 sales for a 3D printing product worth $20. That's somewhere around $200,000 garnered over time. It could take months and maybe a year or more, but you are sure to earn nonetheless. It could rise to a lot more if you actually accrue more sales. Now, the third way to earn money from 3D printing is by selling courses. There are the likes of Udemy, Coursera, and other prominent online education platforms. The one we will be considering in this video is Skillshare. It is a well-known platform known for selling masterclasses on many different types of subjects, and this includes animation, illustration, lifestyle writing, business, etc. Your skills in 3D printing could position you well to be a content creator on this website and teach people how to make 3D printing. On the other hand, you can sign up as an affiliate for Skillshare and film your course. You just need to make a video with decent quality. Get started and open a free account and upload your content. You earn over a minute for every minute watched by your viewers on the platform. The site also runs a referral program as you get $7 for one referral. If you are able to refer 20 people within a week, you'd be getting about $140 from referrals alone. Join the affiliate program and share their content on your social media with your unique links. You can also make money from creating YouTube content about 3D printing. This video is an example of what you can do with 3D printing. You can either create tutorials to teach people how to create a 3D printing design and earn money from it. After your subscribers grow, you can put ads on your videos and earn money from both the ads and the views as well. And the video will continue to earn you money years from now. You can search out other YouTube videos that deal with 3D printing for ideas on how you can run your own as well. There are a lot more people who are looking to pick up on skills which they can learn to use to earn money online. YouTube is one of the best places to earn money for your valuable content. Build your own brand around it, and you can also use the channel to sell some of your 3D printing designs. You can generate consistent revenue as a result depending on your creativity. So now that you see you can do so many things that are pretty unimaginable to you, you just need to open your mind and seek the necessary knowledge. If you are new to 3D printing, you can still take time out to learn. Printing is one of the most relevant digital skills you can leverage upon in the current digital economy. Maximize it. Check out some other videos on this channel to learn about other passive income sources. And of course, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments.